Welcome, warrior. I know that you are tired. Every day seems to deliver a new challenge, and some days it feels like maybe you have no more fight left in you, like it is too much, like you have no more strength, like the problems are insurmountable. You have been wounded by cruel words and injustices, and you are suffering. But this time, right now, is for you to heal. It's time to set down your weapons, your posters, your signs, your smartphone, and restore yourself. You have earned this time to spend on you, to heal your wounds, to restore your strength. It is okay to be weak. It does not take from the times that you have been strong. No one is strong all the time. You have permission right now to cry, to be frustrated, to be afraid. These feelings are simply the flip sides of joy, strength, and bravery, and one does not come without the other. You are human and are allowed to feel the spectrum of emotions. Even the exhaustion you feel is a gift, because it means you put everything you have into the fight. But right now, it is time to put the fight aside. It will still be waiting for you when you return. It is beautiful how much you care for others and for the world. But right now, it is time to care for you. You cannot control the world. You cannot control the actions of others. There is evil in the world, but there is also goodness. You are evidence of that goodness. And although there are many things you cannot control, only you decide your reactions. Remember that change happens slowly, that in your mission you join a long history of people who have fought for justice before you. Recognize that you are doing the hard work to blaze a trail that others will follow in the future. You are part of a story that will span generations, and you have left your own chapter. Know that we all have different time and abilities to give, and whatever you are able to give is enough. Turn your attention now to your body, your strong, capable body that holds all those strong beliefs and passions. Feel the earth beneath your feet, the support it offers, and the way it rises up to carry you. Feel it rumble with the feet of thousands of people just like you who are marching for justice and change. Know that although these people may be miles away, and that it may sometimes feel like you are alone in your fight. They are there, and you are not alone. Channel the strength of this hallowed ground, this ancient, unique planet that you battle to protect, and let it empower you with every stand you take or step you march. Take a deep breath in and know that you breathe the same air that protesters all around the world are breathing. Inhale from the air that echoes with their chants and fill your lungs with the power of their words. Exhale and release anger, the battles you cannot win, the harsh words of the opposition, the hateful injustices. These things are too heavy, and there's no need to take them with you as you march into a brighter future. Make room in your body for it to fill with the love and energy of your fellow fighters, and let your breath join the winds of change. The universe wants you to succeed. The world you imagine can be real. Good can triumph over evil. And tomorrow, or the next day, or whenever you are ready, you will return to that fight. But this moment is for you to rest and restore.